Hi, I'm Cody from Endura Products, and today we will be demonstrating how to install VersaPan, Endura's slope sill pan, into rough openings greater than 40 inches. In order to join two sill pans together for a double install, we have to expose the female dovetails on the second sill pan, and we do this by removing the lip here on the second sill pan. Once you have the lip removed on your second sill pan, you now join the two together by interlocking the male and female dovetails. We then take our clip, and the two sill pans are now secured together. Once you have the two sill pans joined together, you now have to size them to fit your rough opening. No tape measure is needed. Simply slide the two joined sill pans up against one stud, and then from there you will go 2 to 3 inches beyond your other stud. Going 2 to 3 inches beyond the stud, make a score mark, and that's where we will come and we will use that as a reference to remove the rest of this material. Once the excess material is removed, we now need to come in and create a score mark just inside our stud at the front and the back of the sill pan. From there, we will cut so that we can now fold this up and create a corner. Once we have our cuts made here, we're now going to come in and we're going to fold so that we can now create our corner. Once you have made your folds, you will now set the sill pan in place and confirm fit prior to fastening or caulking your subfloor. Once you have confirmed fit, remove the sill pan from the opening and apply your caulk. Once your subfloor is caulked and your sill pan is in place, we're now going to fasten the sill pan to the rough opening. You will also have to staple this flange. It is important not to remove, as this is what helps us create our corner. Once you have the sill pan fastened into the rough opening, your next step is to permanently join the two sill pans together using screws through the dedicated screw locations. Once we have permanently joined the two sill pans together, we will now take, and using center seam tape provided in your kit, we will cover up the seam where the two sill pans meet. It's important to work this tape in very well so that you get all the creases covered. We will now be applying our corner tapes. Before we do so, we need to remove the excess material from the front. Once you have your sill pan installed, you now have the option to use Endura's Z-Series nosing and apply that to your sill pan. Now your sill pan can have the same finish as your threshold.